Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SEEL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Monday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. And overall, kind of a disappointing day if you look at it just as 1 day. But if you look at multiple days, then nothing has really happened. I mean, the price is still within the channel. So let's first just look at it as an individual day. So only looking at today, then yeah, the price did make a good solid move. And, you know, started to show some signs of power and went all the way up there. So there's no doubt about that. That was a good solid move. However, after that, it peaked out and then fell all the way back down to where it was right there. So a fake breakout, is what we would classify that in, the technical jargon, because the price did indeed break above that red line, which I've talked about in past videos as the key area of resistance at $3.20. However, 320 is definitely being very stubborn as far as allowing a true break. What is a true break? Well, that has two parts. The first part's the obvious one. Well, yeah, price has to be able to break above a certain level. And that's occurred several times already. I mean, it occurred right there. It occurred obviously right there. We just talked about it. But the second part is, can the price stay above the break? So that's the genuine kind of part of a breakout is, well, of course, a price it got above level, but let's see if it can stay above it. And that's where this one has failed time and time again. So as far as accomplishing that true break, 320 after today's price movement has definitely been confirmed as that very stubborn area of resistance. Now taking a step back and looking at more so than just 1 day, the reason I say nothing has really happened from the big picture is because the price is just still simply within this overall channel right here. Bottom of the channel down here, right around 250-ish, and the top of the channel we already talked about up at 320, but it's essentially just still stuck within this area. Don't get me wrong, from a day trading perspective, a scalping perspective, whatever you want to call yourself, yeah, there can be all sorts of profitable opportunities within here. But as far as the general picture is concerned, nothing really occurred. A fake breakout occurred, but other than that, it's not like the price collapsed to the downside of the channel or anything like that. It's still essentially right back to where it was. So back to the drawing board. The bulls tried to get that technical breakout today. Didn't quite happen, but who knows? Maybe they have something in store later on. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.